How to fix cleanup not showing on iPhone photos. The cleanup tool in the Photos app on iPhones is part of Apple Intelligence, requires specific hardware and software. It is only available on iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and the iPhone 16 series and requires iOS 18.1 or later. If your device meets these requirements and the tool is not showing, then here is how to fix it. All you have to do is go back to the iPhone's home screen and look for the Settings app and simply tap on it. Once inside the Settings app, all you have to do is again scroll down and tap on the General option available in there. Inside General, tap on the Software Update. Inside Software Update, make sure that you are updated to the latest version 18.1 or higher and try restarting your phone. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.